ARUMCODE1 automatically creates NC programs with simple operation. This software provides highly accurate shape analysis at the 5-micron level, while reducing costs by 50%. Low productivity due to large items, small lot production. High-speed processing with AI analysis. Limitations of NC programming: cost reductions. Automation significantly reduces costs. Short range of labor due to retirement of skilled workers. Easy operation for everyone. Let's take a look at the ARUMCODE1 screen to see how NC programming can be done. Specify the folder containing the STL data and start analysis. Automatically performs shape analysis, tool selection, machining path calculation. Automatically switches multiple STL data sheets until the end of the analysis. Analysis is complete. Analysis of 3 pieces of STL data has been completed. In addition to STL data, work instructions and NC programs are automatically output in the folder. With ARUMCODE1, you don't have to have special skills. It is possible to create high-precision machined products in a short time. ARUMCODE1 continues to evolve. Starting with milling, we will also handle turning, grinding, and casting operations. ARUMCODE1 mainly automates the pre-processing steps through software. The ARUMCODE series is combined with an unmanned setup, machining, and inspection process. Automation will progress in terms of both software and hardware, and full automation of metalworking will be completed.